Hi guys, it's Michelle. Welcome back to my cooking channel. It's fall. That means the leaves are falling, it's getting cool, and that also means pumpkin spice season. Now, I know everybody loves pumpkin spice lattes. I don't. But I did have the cold brew with the pumpkin spice cold foam, and I really enjoyed that one. So come with me to my kitchen so we can make it at home. The ingredients we'll need for this are our cold brew, of course, the pumpkin pie flavored sauce from Torani, and I have the Starbucks vanilla syrup. You can make a simple syrup like I did in my Irish cream cold brew video. We're gonna use some pumpkin pie spice, milk, and heavy whipping cream. So now here I've put about 8 ounces of the cold brew, and I'm gonna get 2 pumps of vanilla syrup. And just in the interest of exact measurements, I'm going to use a tablespoon. So we're gonna use 3 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream, and then 2 tablespoons of milk. I use 2% because the girls don't like the skim milk, plus the skim milk, it's pure lactose, so you're not really getting anything out of that but sugar. And 1 tablespoon of the pumpkin spice sauce. I'm gonna put that in there. I'm gonna stir this a little bit just to get it out of the tablespoon. And then we're gonna froth it. So I basically froth it with your milk frother. I just made a mess. Turn it on when it's in there, right? And then you froth it for a little bit till you see that it's getting nice and thick. It's supposed to about double in size. And if you smell it, you already smell how good it smells, like pumpkin pie. And you see how it's getting nice and frothy there. I don't know if you can see it. You just go until it's at the consistency you want it to be. You don't want it to turn into whipped cream though. So just a little bit of time will do it, and now we'll get this all put together. So now you can hear my ice machine in the background because I've put some ice. And then I'm gonna pour this right on top. And that's about it, guys. Look at that. So to this, I'm gonna use our pumpkin pie spice and just put a little bit on top, as much as you like or as little as you like, if you even like that stuff. And now we're gonna give it a taste. Okay guys, now it's time to taste this. Look how it's slowly creeping its way down. It looks so pretty. So I'm actually gonna get an orange straw, orange and white, orange and clear orange. I need coffee today. Can you tell? I'm gonna stir it up a little bit and taste it. This is delicious, guys. Take it from me. I don't really like the pumpkin spice latte like I said before, but this is a perfect blend. You can also get chai tea lattes and top it with this pumpkin cold foam. You can also make the pumpkin cold foam by itself and give it to your kids. I did that yesterday with the girls and they loved it. They felt so special, and they were even cheers, you know, cleaning their glasses and toasting to each other, which was super cute. So I invite you to try this at home. If you have a milk frother, it makes your life easier. If you don't, you can use a whisk like I showed in the other videos. Or you can even stick the cream and the milk with the syrups in a Tupperware and shake it for 2 minutes as you're running around the house getting ready for work. I've done that. It all works, and it's cheaper than going out to buy it. So if you do try it, go ahead and leave me a comment and let me know what you think. If you liked this video, go ahead and hit like down below, and don't forget to subscribe for more recipes. Bon appetit!